how one golden thread's woved proud row every gown. The silver river sang of Buda's treasures buried deep, while silken dreams resting in the merchant quarters sleep. The Danube holds its secrets close, just like a prayer. Memories of beaches kissed by sunlight, waters crystal fair. Give me a little Budapest to soothe my gypsy soul, where the broken chains of history can make the spirit whole. Throughout the scars of time, its beauty learned to grow like wildflowers pushing up through the winter snow. Budapest, Budapest, heal this restless heart with your tender grace. You give to me your poetry and art. The Mongol horses thundered loudly through these streets. Then the Huns carved empires from their swift defeats. Habsburg crowns sat heavy and weighed upon this land, while fascist boots and red flags took their brutal stand. Like phoenix rising high from every foreign flame, this city speaks in hope and not in bitter blame. Give me a little Budapest to soothe my gypsy soul, where the broken chains of history can make the spirit whole. Throughout the scars of time, its beauty learned to grow like wildflowers pushing up through the winter snow. Budapest, Budapest, heal this restless heart with your tender grace. You give to me your poetry and art. Now the thermal waters cradle my weary bones, like a mother's arms embracing her wayward sons. The laughter echoes lightly off the castle's ancient walls, where once the sound of marching armies echoed out their calls. In coffee houses where the stories flow, the people shine like candlelight's warm glow. Your handicrafts recite their prayers in pottery. Each